So in this video today, I'm going to be replacing the Cmos battery in the Dell Inspiron 6000. So I bought this laptop like last year at Savers. The screen was broken. It had less memory, no hard drive. So I bought a parts laptop on eBay, same laptop. Swapped the screens. I put a hard drive in it, added another stick of 512 megabyte of RAM, so a total of 1 gigabyte. I installed Windows XP, and now I just replaced the CMOS battery. So the laptop has a Pentium M 1.6 gigahertz, 1 gig of RAM, 60 gigabyte hard drive, onboard graphics, and Windows XP Professional as the operating system. I'm gonna try to get back into recording the retro games. I haven't finished Centipede in a while because I'm extremely bad at that game and I only have one life and I keep dying and it's extremely annoying. I'm also not very good at these voiceover videos. I'm trying to do a little bit of everything, so bear with me. I'm going to be putting out some more tech content out. I recently got a Dell Latitude E6410 on eBay for about $44. The seller said the keyboard wasn't working, and obviously the battery's junk. But I took it out of the box the other day, and the keyboard seemed fine. I mean, everything was working. So yeah, I'm gonna do a video on that. It has like a Core i7, 8 gigs of RAM, a 256 gigabyte SSD, and should be interesting. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to see more content like this, just leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and subscribe.